Hi, my name's Jake Babington-Wright and I'm an apprentice here at Californian Classics.
Hi, my name's Shelley White. I'm the operations manager here, but also the owner of the company, part owner of the company at Californian Classics.
While being an apprentice here, I've learned an array of skills. I've learned good ways to talk to customers, different methods of stock control, you know, different ways of managing and organising the website.
College has supported us by liaising with us, setting it up initially, but also going forward throughout the programme. They've been in contact with us about the reviews and how Jake is progressing.
I believe people should do an apprenticeship because, you know, get paid while you learn. What's not to like? You know, I'm learning valuable skills that I can carry on for the rest of my career and I'm getting paid for it. So, you know, what's not to like, I suppose?
I think employers should have an apprentice because they add value to your company. They grow within your company, and particularly in the case of our apprentices, they really are helping to build our company to where position it is today.